Tired of your team forgetting processes, missing steps, or constantly asking the same questions? You don't have a documentation problem, you have a training problem. Let's break down the difference between Waybook and Trainual, and which one actually drives accountability and performance across your team. Waybook is great if you just need to organize SOPs and company knowledge. It helps you put everything in one place, but it stops there. Trainual takes that same documentation and turns it into actionable, trackable training. You can build interactive lessons with videos, quizzes, and visuals, assign them by role or department, and track who's completed what with e-signatures and progress reports built in. With AI-powered tools, Trainual helps you create content fast, translate it, and even answer your team's questions automatically, so your training never hits pause. The result? Faster onboarding, stronger accountability, and a team that always knows exactly what to do and how to do it. If you're ready to turn your company knowledge into a system your whole team can follow, stop organizing and start training. Click the link below to see Trainual in action.